Imagine diving into the ocean. Everything is calm, until suddenly you feel a force pulling you downward. Your body is dragged into the abyss, and then nothing. You disappear without a trace. Welcome to the Gulf of Mexico's underwater black hole, a terrifying place where reality itself seems to break apart. This is no ordinary ocean trench. Scientists have discovered massive underwater holes that go deeper than we can explore. They're called blue holes, but one in particular is different, darker, and deadlier. Local fishermen whisper about boats that never return. Some divers claim they've seen something lurking inside. In 1997, a team of professional divers set out to explore the deepest part of one of these mysterious voids. They were experienced, well-equipped, but they never came back. Control. We are descending now. Depth at 200 feet, 300 feet. Wait, something is moving. Rescue teams searched for weeks. No bodies, no wreckage, just emptiness. As if the ocean itself had swallowed them whole. Scientists tried to investigate, sending remote cameras and sonar scans. But here's the strangest part. Every single device stopped working the moment it got too close. No signal, no data, just nothing. It's as if something is interfering with our technology. We've never seen anything like it. Some experts believe these voids lead to an undiscovered ecosystem where unknown creatures exist. Others think it's something even more terrifying. One theory suggests these ocean black holes could be natural wormholes, a gateway to another world. What if the people who went missing didn't drown, but were pulled into another reality? Here's where it gets even stranger. The US Navy has classified reports on strange phenomena in this region. Some claim that submarines have gone missing for hours, only to reappear hundreds of miles away. Are they hiding something? Could this be connected to deep-sea UFO activity? The ocean black hole remains unexplored. Scientists are afraid, the government is silent, and those who dare to investigate never return. Is this a natural phenomenon, a hidden creature, or something beyond our understanding? What do you think? Could this be a portal to another world, or is there a scientific explanation? Comment your theories below, and don't forget to subscribe to Ocean Enigma for more deep-sea mysteries.